But more than anything else, I feel extremely grateful that people are liking it. Honestly, मेरी सोच से ज़्यादा लोग इसे पसंद कर रहे हैं. It's so easy for anybody right now to become a star overnight.
Of course,
It's so easy. Just pay an big X amount of money, and then you become a star overnight. Every actor has its own journey.
Yeah.
So I adore them. I'm inspired by them, but I can't follow them.
Yeah.
Because we all come with our own mind space. It only gives me hope that if they're being accepted, then maybe I will also be accepted someday. है ना, audiences?
Yes.
I hope I am. I hope I will be. Hi, this is Sadia Khatib. Thank you for watching me on India Forums. Please like, share and subscribe.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
हेलो एवरीवन, आज हमारे साथ है सादिया खातिर, जिनको अभी आपने देखा था फिल्म द डिप्लोमैट में, who played the character of उज़्मा. Well, we'll just hear it from her. आई एम श्योर आप सब सोच रहे होंगे कि ये इतनी सुंदर नाजुक सी दिखने वाली लड़की ने इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग रोल कैसे प्ले कर लिया, बट लेट्स सी, वील हियर इट फ्रॉम हर ओनली. हाय. सो फर्स्टली, कैसा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है? हाउ आर पीपल रिएक्टिंग? आई नो इट्स योर इंस्टाग्राम मस्ट बी फ्लडेड विद प्रेजेस. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
Overwhelming लग रहा है. But more than anything else, I feel extremely grateful that people are liking it. Honestly, मेरी सोच से ज़्यादा लोग इसे पसंद कर रहे हैं. But apart from that part, I'm just continuously looking at the numbers. I'm just trying to see how much is how many people are watching it. How is it going at the box office? That's it. It's a mixed feeling right now. I'm scared, nervous, and a lot of gratitude.
So my question was on the same lines. As you mentioned, you are looking at the figures and everything, but at the same time there is that critical acclaim also कि इन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से उस माँ का कैरेक्टर निभाया है. She's done it gracefully and all that thing. So when you are in the film industry, आप वो एक balance कैसे strike करते हैं where you want that critical acclaim also, but at the same time you wanted to do commercially well also, and वो numbers भी आपको चाहिए.
See, there is no balance that I look for. I mean, I'm not in a position to in life right now at my career where I can look at all these certain things. For me, it's very simple. The part that has come to me, I do my job the best I can and then deliver my best performance and rest prayer. Because there's nothing much in my hands, like not the box office, not the reviews also. So I'm only somebody who's right now at the receiving end. I was only at the giving end while I was on sets. So there's nothing much I can really consider before taking a job. As long as the script level is good, script is beautiful, I have a lot of work to do, I know there is something challenging and fun for me to do. That's all.
Yeah, nice. Also, I want to know that जो role था, that was very emotionally challenging.
Yeah.
A lot of emotions were going and you had to portray it सब एक अलग-अलग points पे different ways में, while she was with the guy and then जब वो office में थी अंदर, everything was there. So वो कौन सा part था where you actually felt that you couldn't just do it, या आपके दिमाग में it felt that it's too much to handle?
I never thought while reading on paper that doing that entire physical violence or the entire sequence of Bunair would be that tough. But while we were on top, it was damn challenging. But never for a moment I could think that I couldn't do it, because this is something that was like a cherry on top for me. As an actor, you always want to push your limits. As an actor, you always want to do something which is more daring and more challenging. So a part of me, like the major part of me, the actor part of me, was extremely happy while doing it. But yeah, it was challenging and the body was at the verge of giving up. But I'm glad
it
did. Yeah.
Also, there's a scene जहाँ पे मुझे लगा कि उज़्मा actually felt that fear, and it was the most सबसे ज़्यादा वो दिख रहा था in the last scene when she was in the car. They were heading, towards Wagah border, and तभी ये लोग ही सब पीछे आ गए थे, and deputy sir was driving the car. So that's when she was like कि मैं इतने अंत तक पहुँच गई हूँ, and अब कुछ होगा तो it's all gone. So how did you shoot that sequence?
Oh, I very well remember कि अभी we were in that middle of that take. So as an actor, where I have come from this journey where I've dealt with all these things, been to embassy, my JP sir has tried all his level best to bring me out of this. Now court has also given this thing that you have to come out. This is not this disclaimer for the film. People who have not watched the film, I can't speak much, but that specific portion was a lot thrilling because see, I was not doing much. I was just there.
Yeah.
And I had to make sure that it doesn't go flat for me. Like I had to make sure that I stay in the character.
Right.
I I be the person, because now what if it's a general emotion, honestly. Like
Yeah.
now I feel now I don't know what is going to happen next as a person, right?
Yeah.
So I was as scared as I tried being, because now what if they now take me back, because
Yeah.
they are a strong group of people. So like that was actually a little. But I'm glad you observed that scene, because it's actually one
Yeah.
of, yeah, most like.
Also, coming back to this, as actors, there's a lot of things you have to deal with. Okay, like while you have the acting and the films going on, in these days there's social media, there's PR game, everything. So how do you approach these things? Do you feel that while you are doing your work, there is also a necessity to have that PR image, or go out publicly, get papped, or have a social media presence and all of these things?
It is way more difficult than my acting job. To be honest, I am not good at it. I'm still figuring it out. I'm still trying to understand. I understand that this is a business completely in itself. I understand that, people are trying to make their fortune out of it. But somewhere in my heart, it really makes me feel a little sad, because it questions your credibility.
Yeah.
So you can't reviews and all and everything, and the people and audience is absolutely general, because audience, you can't buy audience.
Yeah.
But then there's this part of it where, for your visibility when this things happens here, everything becomes paid. It truly makes me feel like, then where is the credibility of an
Yeah.
actor? So it's so easy for anybody right now to become a star overnight.
Of course.
It's so easy. Just pay an big X amount of money, and then you become a star overnight. But then I don't know how long it's lasting, and it will make you fortune, but it doesn't correlate with the talent that one,
Of course.
and the talent will take longer for sure. Like I feel that because for any artist, the journey is slightly different. But I really want to know more about the PR game. I really want to do it better. I really want to be more visible. I really want to be popular out there also, because eventually, if I become more popular, if I will become a via even paps and everything,
Yeah.
then maybe I'll get more audience to watch my films
Of
and see my talent. So it's a circle,
Yeah.
and both of them are equally important. I'm still trying to understand, but I love paps, to be honest. They
Yes.
like, even if I'm having a dull day,
Yeah.
they come and, oh God, they make me so happy.
Yes,
I mean,
yes.
but apart from that, the rest of the PR, it's tough. It's tougher than how it looks.
Right. Also, adding to the same, the social media game. Do you feel that I have to post it or have to maintain a certain image?
Yeah.
You feel
It's
that?
so irritating, I swear. It's so irritating, honestly, because it is there. No matter how much we say no, but
Yeah.
then you have. But I try to do it as lightly as possible. But then I feel, oh shit, I'm missing out.
Yeah.
Again, my social media game is horrible. Like, I was not even on social media for the longest of time. After my first film's release, 4 months after my first film's release, I came on social
Yeah.
media. I don't know how to do that, but I'm still trying to learn it. I'm still trying to figure it out. I don't know. It's tough again, because
Yes.
I can think of the time for the previous actors when it was all about only your performance and acting, and then the awards and the credibility were the magazine. I mean, now that is the first thing, and then this comes. So this has become a circle, and I feel a little disappointed by that.
Agreed. Also, talking about your journey, you have done 3 films, and people are now recognizing you, noticing you, everything. So, in this journey, where do you see yourself going, and is there anything specific in your mind, that this is something I have to accomplish, or this is the type of roles I have to do?
See, I am actually only hoping that makers see my previous 3 films as a show reel, as something that they can consider me for better opportunities, for more powerful and challenging roles.
Yeah.
Of course, I see myself, there was this thing I said to myself sometime back when I was really insecure and scared about my career. And I discussed this with my father. I said to him that, I should worry if I am putting myself in a clock. Like, if I'm thinking that I have only this amount of time and I have to make sure that I have to do 10 films. Since so far I've been only trying to choose quality over quantity, then I need to really worry, because then time is running and I need to do more work and I need to be seen out there. But if I think it like this, that as long as I'm alive, as long as till I die, I will seek good work and I will keep working and I will make sure that I achieve what I want to achieve,
Yeah.
be it any field that I enjoy. So then, if I just take off the time clock from my department, then there is no fear, then there is no insecurity, then I'm all good to go.
Yeah.
I hope that time it happens faster, because patience is not an easy thing to
Of
have.
course.
I hope people see it and we get more work and do better work
Yeah.
and larger. But I still want to really choose quality over quantity in my filmography. That's something I've seeked since day one.
And with this filmography and everything, do you still feel that that auditioning plays a role, and instead of showing those as reels, you still have to go for the auditions?
Yeah, I cracked my first one through an audition.
Yeah.
Second, so everything that I've been doing has been audition so far. Audition is a very strong thing, but again, it's your luck factor. It's not
Of
your
course.
talent. It's not that you are very talented and you have cracked it. It's absolutely your luck. You can be the last hardworking person in the room, last talented, not fitting the bill. But if it's in your destiny, it will come to you. So it's eventually just trusting and having sabr. I think that's.
Also about the film, how was it with Johnson? Because people say that while he is there and everything, he's not that open. It takes some time, to be friendly with his co-stars and everything. How was it with you? Did you click?
No, he's beautiful as a person. He's amazing as a human being. I mean, I've always loved him, and I respect him even more now. He's very talented. I mean, you should see the kind of work he has been doing so far. And now, when you see him in JP, not even for a second you can think of him as John Abraham.
Yes.
Like, tell me if you see Diplomat and see. So for me, it's very like I've always been looking up to him. I've always seen him doing, like, I'm a fangirl whenever I see him
Yeah.
working. Yeah.
Also, is there any actress or any person in the industry right now whose journey has inspired you, and you think that okay, this, of course not that I don't want to copy it or anything, but it's just inspirational that okay, this is something I can go through.
See, to be honest, every actor has its own journey.
Yeah.
So I adore them. I'm inspired by them, but I can't follow them.
Yeah.
Because we all come with our own mind spaces. We all are different. Like
Yeah.
each one. Like Priyanka's journey is so inspiring from what she has come and achieved and everything. But Alia's is absolutely different, and both are my absolute favorite. So there are a lot of actors right now whose work has inspired me. But it's not that specific actor. It's the work
Yeah.
that speaks volumes. Then the actor itself. The characters, they stay with you.
Yeah.
So there are many. Priyanka Chopra's journey, kudos to her for what she has achieved. Karina's journey, I love
Yes.
her. Alia has always been, her filmography has been always like a goal, like how versatile she is.
Right.
And all of the actors, I mean, everyone, there is something to take from each one of them.
Right.
And since I'm just a new baby girl born into this field, and these are all like Diggaj people doing
Yeah.
this great work, I really hope I can pick something from each one of them.
Also about this, the whole Bollywood landscape, it's evolving day by day. Every new things are coming in, some things are fading off. So now are the times when fresh faces are getting chances. Like Beat Lapta Ladies or the OTT shows that are coming in, and many other films like that. So there is a hype in that also, and people are actually liking it. They are going to theaters, they're
Yeah.
watching it. So do you feel it's a good time, for you as a newcomer to just be in this time and show your talent to people and come out?
I hope so. Since the more opportunities, the more people also.
Yeah.
So we have a lot more people than before also. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure my own way out. I'm not looking at other people's journey. I mean, I'm obviously getting inspired by them, and I love how all the girls have done so amazing. All the contemporaries, if I may call them, and all of these, like, I'm only looking at them and thinking, wow, they're all doing so much more great work, and there is always something to look up to from them, because everybody has come from a different point in life, and it only gives me hope that if they're being accepted, then maybe I will also be accepted someday.
Right.
Henna, audiences, I
Yes.
hope I am. I hope I will be.
You will be. Thank you so much for this interview.
Thank
you
you
so much for your time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone for watching this on India Forums. Reporter Divya Shah with camera person Babaji.